Are you trying to decide between CapCut PC and Clipchamp? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular video editing tools. Both CapCut PC and Clipchamp allow you to create and edit videos with ease. They offer a range of features that help you make your videos look professional, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with CapCut PC. This tool is known for its user-friendly interface. It's great for beginners and offers a variety of effects, filters, and transitions. You can easily trim clips and add music. Plus, it supports high resolution exports, which is a big plus for quality. Now, let's talk about Clipchamp. This tool is also beginner friendly, but it shines with its cloud based features. You can access your projects from anywhere. Uh, Clipchamp has a library of stock footage and audio, which can really enhance your videos. It's perfect for those who want to create content quickly and efficiently. So, what are the main differences? CapCut PC is more focused on desktop editing and offers powerful editing tools. Uh, Clipchamp, on the other hand, is cloud based, making it more flexible for on the go editing. When it comes to features, both tools have a lot to offer. CapCut has strong editing capabilities with a variety of effects. Clipchamp excels with its stock library and easy sharing options. In terms of pricing, CapCut PC is free, but it may have some premium features. Clipchamp offers a free plan, but you might need to upgrade for more features and higher quality exports. So, who should choose what? If you want a robust editing experience on your computer, go for CapCut. If you prefer flexibility and cloud access, Clipchamp is the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.